What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to remove PIN or password on your laptop and PC and how to do this step. So let me directly get into the step. So the first one is all about, we just need to go over here, search for the settings and click on the settings, and right now from here we need to navigate to the left over here called accounts. Now from here we have to scroll down and navigate to sign in option. Now from here there is an option called PIN. So what you need to do is just select the PIN option over here. And right now as you can see we have options over here for the PIN, because I have not yet set any PIN. I have set over here for the password. So what I'm going to do is just go over here in the PIN, and right now like over here in the password under the PIN you will be having a change option where you have to change it. So once the password, just click on the change, don't get confused. Under the PIN you will be having a change option. So I have not yet set the PIN, I have set a password. So if you click on the change, you will be having an option like this where you have to type your current PIN, and once afterwards go for next, and it will be completely removed from your Windows PC or laptop. And that's what it is, and I hope this video is helpful. That's it, bye bye.